Most Muslim parents know Muharram is important. But when their child asks, "What is Muharram?" they freeze. Welcome to Tarbiyat Hub. In this video, we are going to give you everything you need to teach Muharram to your child in a way they will actually remember. Step by step, age by age. Muharram is the first month of the Islamic calendar. It is one of the 4 sacred months Allah mentions in the Quran. That alone makes it worth teaching. But most Muslim homes let it pass. Like any other month, no conversation, no connection, no meaning given to their children. You are going to change that. And it starts with one simple conversation. Tell your child this. This month is special to Allah, and anything that is special to Allah is special to us. That is enough for a young child. Plant the seed first. The understanding comes later. The most important day in Muharram is the 10th day, Ashura, and this is where many Muslim parents feel confused. What exactly do we tell our children about Ashura? Here is what the Prophet, peace be upon him, taught us. When he arrived in Medina and saw the Jews fasting on Ashura, he asked why. They told him it was the day Allah saved Musa, peace be upon him, and drowned Pharaoh. The Prophet said, "We have more right to Musa than you." And he fasted and told his companions to fast. This is the sunnah of Ashura. Gratitude, fasting, remembering Allah's mercy and his power. Tell your child this story. Children love stories of rescue, of good, winning over evil. Musa and Pharaoh is one of the most powerful stories in the Quran, and Ashura connects them to it personally. Every age needs a different approach. Here is exactly what to say. For children aged 3 to 5, keep it simple. Tell them this month is special. Fast yourself and let them see you. Let them ask why. That question is your opening. For children aged 6 to 9, tell them the story of Musa and Pharaoh. Connect it to Ashura. Ask them, if you were there with Musa, how would you feel when the sea split? Make it imaginative. Make it alive. For children aged 10 and above, go deeper. Explain the Islamic calendar. Explain why Allah made certain months sacred. Let them fast. The 9th and 10th with you, if they are ready. Shared worship builds shared faith. This is important. There are things circulating about Muharram that have no basis in the Sunnah. Do not teach your child that Muharram is a month of mourning. It is not. It is a month of gratitude and worship. Do not tell them to avoid happiness or celebrations. There is no Islamic evidence for this. Do not confuse them with practices that come from outside the Sunnah. Keep it clean. Keep it simple. Keep it rooted in what the Prophet, peace be upon him, actually taught. Your child's faith is built on clarity, not confusion. Here are 3 things you can do with your child this Muharram that will make it memorable. Activity 1, the Musa story night. Sit together after Maghrib. Tell the full story of Musa and Pharaoh. Let your child ask questions. End with, "And that is why we fast on Ashura to say thank you to Allah." Activity 2, fast together. If your child is old enough, fast the 9th and 10th with them. Even a half-day fast for younger children builds the habit and the connection. Shared worship is the strongest teaching tool you have. Activity 3, the Muharram journal. Give your child a notebook. Ask them to write or draw one thing they are grateful to Allah for this month. One thing. That is it. Gratitude is the heart of Ashura. Muharram is not just a date on the Islamic calendar. It is an opportunity to sit with your child, tell them a story, fast together, and show them that Islam is not just something we believe, it is something we live. You do not need to be a scholar to do this. You just need to show up. And you already are, because you are here. You are their first teacher. Be their best one. raising Muslim kids with purpose.